Quy Ho Pass is one of the four great passes in Vietnam, belonging to the Hoàng Liên Sơn mountain range. It is famous for its spectacular scenery. A pass more than 50 km long, an altitude of nearly 2,000 meters above sea level. Cool climate and magical sea of clouds landscape. You can come here to visit places such as Heaven Gate, Lonely Tree, Fairy Valley, and enjoy the majestic nature. The pass cuts across the Hoàng Liên Sơn range, with the peak also near the border between the two provinces. The official name of the pass as the watershed is Cham Tom Pass. The pass also has a local name, Heaven's Gate. However, visitors to northwest Vietnam often know the pass as Quy Ho Pass. With a length of more than 50 km and an altitude of nearly 2 km above sea level, this is one of the longest, most dangerous, and majestic mountain passes in the northern mountainous region of Vietnam. According to legend, in the past, there was a love story that didn't end happily between a fairy and a peasant named Quy Ho. They used to meet at this pass, but they could marry each other. Out of sorrow, the fairy turned into a bird and flew around the mountain peak, calling out the name of her lover. Since then, this pass has been called Quy Ho Pass. Quy Ho Pass has a long winding road on National Highway 40, of which 2.3 of the road is in Tam Duc District, Lai Châu Province. The remaining 1.3 is in Sapa, Lào Cai Province. This is probably a pass that holds the record for length in the northwest mountainous region of Vietnam, with a length of nearly 50 km, longer than Pha Đin Pass, with 32 km long, located on the border between Sơn La and Điện Biên Province, or Co Pha Pass, nearly 40 km in Yên Bái. The height, richness, and length of all Quy Ho passes have made it universally now as the king of the pass in the northwest region. Currently, the road has been upgraded a lot, becoming a road that attracts many backpackers to explore and conquer. Every day, this road is crowded with vehicles. To go from Hanoi to Lai Châu, many people choose to take the train to Lào Cai and then take a bus over Quy Ho Pass. With a deep abyss on one side and often a steep cliff on the other, Quy Ho Pass is challenging for long-distance drivers.